NoteGuru is a game changer in the world of AI note-taking, and if you're curious about what makes it so special, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about NoteGuru that will help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Stick around till the end, because I'm about to reveal some features that make NoteGuru stand out in ways you might not expect. First, let's talk about the basics. NoteGuru is a brand new AI-powered note-taking software that promises to revolutionize how we capture and organize information. The major selling point here, it automates the note-taking process using AI, saving you tons of time. Instead of typing everything out manually, NoteGuru can take over and generate accurate, organized notes from your meetings, lectures, or brainstorming sessions. And the best part? You can try it for free by clicking the first link below. What really sets NoteGuru apart is its context awareness. This software doesn't just transcribe what's being said. It intelligently organizes your notes based on the subject matter and can even highlight key points, action items, and deadlines. Whether you're in a fast-paced meeting or a detailed lecture, it ensures you won't miss a thing. The next feature worth mentioning is its integration with popular tools like Google Docs, Evernote, and even Zoom. This allows for seamless syncing of your notes across all platforms. If you're already using these tools, NoteGuru fits right into your existing workflow without any hassle. It's like having your own personal assistant that organizes all your thoughts for you, saving you from switching between apps. Now, one feature I love is its ability to automatically generate summaries. Let's face it, sometimes you just don't have time to go through pages of notes. NoteGuru's AI can summarize your content in a few lines, allowing you to quickly scan and identify the important points. This is a huge time saver and makes reviewing your notes a breeze. Another great addition is the search functionality. Once you start taking notes with NoteGuru, you'll quickly realize how easy it is to find specific information later. The search function is super intuitive, helping you locate key phrases or topics, even if you have hundreds of notes stored. For those of you who prefer a more interactive experience, NoteGuru includes voice commands. Simply speak and the AI will take action on your behalf. This voice integration makes the note-taking process even smoother and more natural, as you don't have to type anything out. Let's talk about security. With NoteGuru, your notes are stored in the cloud with end-to-end encryption, so you can rest assured that your information is safe and secure. Whether you're dealing with sensitive work data or personal notes, NoteGuru security measures have got you covered. Finally, there's the user interface. One of the most important aspects of any software is how easy it is to use, and NoteGuru excels in this department. The design is sleek, clean, and intuitive. You won't have to spend time learning a complex system. NoteGuru is straightforward and user-friendly, which is a massive plus for anyone new to this software. If you're still not convinced, remember that you can try it out for free using the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found that NoteGuru stands out as one of the most efficient and effective solutions for AI note-taking. I also have my recommended AI software in the description, so if you're looking for other tools to make your life easier, check them out. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the latest AI software. And if you found this video helpful, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Happy note-taking.